Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain what are locators. So what are locators? Locators help Selenium automation tool in finding UI elements on the web pages. So what are locators? Locators help Selenium automation tool in finding the UI elements on the web pages. Let me explain this statement in a detailed manner. Let's say there is a web page like this. Okay. Let's say there is a web page. On this web page, there are different elements. Let's say there is a text area field, there is a drop down field, there is a list box field, there is an image, there is a hyperlink, there is a button, there is a text box field, there is some paragraph, there is some text, then there is some radio buttons, some checkbox fields. Okay. And lot of elements are there on this web page like this. Let me give an example for this web page containing different UI elements. For that, I'll open this browser. I have opened this browser. On this browser, I'll take you to one application. Let's say this is the application I'm taking you to. Can clearly observe this application. There are so many UI elements on this web pages, right? On this particular web page, there are so many UI elements like there's an image, there's a text box field, there's a text area field, there's a drop down field, there's a list box field, there's some text. Okay, there is some paragraph, there are some hyperlinks. So many elements, different type of elements are there on this web page. That's okay. Now, the next item that you need to understand here is here on this side, we have the Selenium automation tool. Selenium automation tool. Okay, we have this Selenium automation tool here. Now, Selenium automation tool want to type some text into this text area field. Let's say this is a text area field. Into one of the UI elements on this web page, Selenium want to perform some operation. Let's say Selenium automation tool want to type my name into this text area field. Can it do directly? Can Selenium automation tool directly can type my name into the text area field? The answer is no. Why? Because Selenium is because Selenium is by default blind. What do I mean by blind? Selenium is by default by blind. That means Selenium cannot see what elements are there on this web page. Okay? Like we can see this web page containing lot of elements, but Selenium cannot see any of these elements on the web page because Selenium automation tool is by default blind. So if Selenium automation tool is blind, can Selenium will be able to type my name into this text area field? Or will Selenium will be able to click on this button? Is it possible? No. Why? Because Selenium is blind. So it cannot see where exactly this text area field is there on this web page, where exactly this particular button is there on this web page, where exactly this drop down field on is there on this web page. Selenium cannot see that. So then how can this Selenium automation tool can perform operation on this web element? How that is possible? Selenium cannot see these elements directly, but Selenium automation tool will take the help of these locators in order to locate the elements on these web pages. Even though Selenium is blind by default, it cannot see any of these elements on the web page by default. So if it cannot see any of these web elements on this web page by default, Selenium cannot be able to, Selenium won't be able to perform any operation on these elements like typing text into the text box or text area field or clicking on a button. It cannot do anything because it cannot see these elements. It cannot find these elements. So Selenium will take the help of something known as, Selenium need to take the help of something known as locators. With the help of locators, with the help of locators, Selenium will be able to find the required elements on the web pages. Like a blind person will take the help of a stick, okay, to cross a road or something. Blind person cannot see, but blind person still want to locate something on the road if any obstacle is coming on the road or the path where the blind person want to walk. Okay, so like a blind person taking the help of a stick, here Selenium automation tool will take the help of something known as locators in order to locate or find the different elements on the web pages where Selenium automation tool want to perform the operation on. So here, Selenium automation tool takes the help of something known as locators. So here also for typing my name into this text area field or for typing some text into this text area field, Selenium cannot find this text area field on this web page. Selenium automation tool will take the help of a locator to find or locate this text area field on this web page. Once Selenium automation tool with the help of locator finds this element on the web page, it will be able to perform the operation like typing operation. It can type my name into the text area field. Let's say Selenium automation tool want to directly click on this button. That won't be possible because Selenium is by default blind. Selenium automation tool will take a help of a locator for locating or finding this button on this web page. Then once it finds this button with the help of locator on the web page, Selenium will be able to click on this button. Okay, Selenium performs click operation on this button. So this is what the purpose of locators in Selenium. Okay, this is the purpose of locators in case of Selenium automation tool. By default, Selenium is blind. Selenium will take the help of locators for finding the different URL elements on the web page. Once the locators help Selenium in finding these URL elements on the web pages, Selenium will be able to perform the operations on these elements on the web pages. Okay. So hope guys you understood what exactly are locators. In the next session, I am going to explain what are the different type of locators that can help Selenium in finding these elements on the web pages. Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.